BJP Manipur source hints that Thangmaiban MLA Joy Kishan may be the next president of BJP Manipur Pradesh. JCILPS accuses that police department has failed to take action against 431 illegal migrant workers. Non-Manipuri trader caught making duplicates of popular food products at Kurai, Ahonge. Anything village in Bishnupur district becomes the third solar-powered village under Mangal Rural. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime News and I'm Premi Thangcham with the top stories and latest news at this hour. Thangmaiban MLA Kumukcham Joy Kishan may become the next president of BJP Manipur Pradesh. As the people continue to speculate about the next president of Bharatiya Janata Party Manipur Pradesh, a party source hinted that BJP MLA Kumukcham Joy Kishan may soon be announced as the next president soon. Soon after arriving at the Imphal International Airport after attending the party meeting at Guwahati, Kumukcham Joy Kishan today told the Impact News that the announcement may be met in the next 2 or 3 days. He said the meeting held at the Radisson Hotel at Guwahati minutely discussed the non-appointment of party president in 3 states and the upcoming civic body election of Imphal Municipal Corporation.
Election process India ki ahum watliba Andhra Pradesh ne adagi Delhi ne Manipur gi ne si loishalani ngasi within 1-2 days daina ada koi comment lawne to whoever akoi gi party khalak du akoi leiriba mayam sna punna wak tongmina na baina thamak mofam ni aduga municipal corporation election ji mai pakna mai thammo phom ne to huji huji ko ina sima khale lawthok kem leitri election process India.
The State Cabinet, in a meeting held yesterday at the CM Secretariat with Chief Minister Obi in the chair, decided to hold the elections for councillors and members of Ward Development Committee of Imphal Municipal Corporation on June 2nd. Speaking at a press conference, a spokesperson of the Congress government in rural development and Panchayati Raj Minister Moirangthe Mokendro said the notification for the election will be issued on May 12th. Minister Okendro also stated that the final electoral rolls will be released on May 2nd after considering claim and objections of the electoral rolls by April 22nd. He said the cabinet has also approved to fill the 37 vacant posts of technicians and paraclinical staff of JENIMS. The cabinet also decided to implement the center's 24/7 Power for All scheme and provide uninterrupted power supply to all 1,034 census villages of the state by 2018-2019. Earthquake hit people in Santula Bari village in Senapati district have remained outside their houses as cracks developed in the houses during the April 13 earthquake. The village in Kangpokpi is mainly inhabited by Nepalese. Indian Red Cross Society Manipur branch has opened an emergency relief camp for the affected people. A team of 8 members of Indian Red Cross Society Manipur branch went around the village to assess the damage. General Secretary of the Society, Dr. Y. Mohan, said the houses are not saved and they need to be rebuilt.
Around 30 family, our room sings cracks at like a room and the home depot totally collapsed. Kuda Kuina, immediate shelter Sequina, Red Cross family ten Sepuraga Company, Amakan. High room sings here. New construction of a total repair totally Labia and Sarkargi Atuba, Miang Singna, Kunsiki Yumkai, Mang Taiba, Kai to Rissing Sabina, Vinaba, concerned authority to Miang Singh.
Left parties of the state today accuse that the Congress, which is in power in the state, is the most corrupt and the BJP, which is at the helm of the center, is the most communal party. Speaking on the sidelines of a meeting of left parties of Manipur at the Manipur Press Club, CPI Manipur Unit State Secretary Dr. M. Naras said thousands of educated youths are unemployed as they cannot afford to buy government jobs and faced hardship in life. He said the government is still unable to implement the Food Security Act meant for the marginalized people in the state, and politicians and their agents are waiting to take the major chunk of the benefits even if it's implemented. Dr. Nara also stated that there have been 600 incidents of communal conflicts perpetrated by BJP and the country will be further divided if BJP continues such policies. The communist leader added that left parties will organize campaign at different parts of the state against the Congress and the BJP to make people understand the true colors of these parties.
Manipur senja thumjagi kumakol oriba lam asida hujiksu lepa leiti sarkar asina chathariba senja thumjagi thabak si phangadra phangoidra kangauna leringe sida anouba mi lising ani chohum lawni haijale si election mayagi pesa tanbo in lakdorini senja thumjagi mayukta prajamyam si hausi election si chumhandragadi senja thumja thingbangamoy maramaduna corrupted oiba congress ki mayukta communal BJP ki mayokta aikoi punjan bagi tangai phadabam lei. This is for the benefit of the people of Manipur. Manipur prajagi ai phanabari.
Joint Committee on Inner Line Permit System JCILPS has accused that police department has failed to take action against the 431 illegal migrant workers identified by the Joint Committee India Drive Against Illegal Migrants in Manipur. Convener of JCILPS Komdram Ratan today told the media persons at the JCILPS office at Sega Road, Konjeng Hazari Laikai that in connection with the ILPS issue, the committee carried out drive against the illegal migrant workers and handed over the illegal migrant to nearby police stations. He alleged that the Home Department has not taken the necessary action against them. Ratan said the committee has identified a large number of illegal migrants in the last few days and it shows that a large number of migrants has entered the state unchecked. He said the committee will launch a people's movement against the government.
Police Department Maramada Manipur Home Department Mani Hunda Manipur Mayamda I can file a Senegal Market Workers in Mayamaduki detailed report, session report ma quite paper Mani Hunda Manipur Mayamda Tamadami Home Department Manipur Gedumba Police Party Sing Manipur Gedumba Minister Emily Honorable Minister Little Kanda Dilisa Kanda Dilasi SNP Naba with Tanga Domini.
Ratan also appealed to the people to extend help to the proposed memorial of Sapam Robin Hood, who died in the ILP agitation. He urged the authority concerned not to allow illegal migrants vote for or stand in the June Imphal Municipality Corporation elections.
Municipal Council election da non-Manipur persons sing outsiders sing mitop sing bole pa koi tingbo thamjare aduga koi laiba voters sing asidu akoina kumna check to kanda madu tasena I want the Magadi both of the way are Atu elected department, the consent is Satakanda, check over to waste to Saturday, Infant Easter, Infant West, one represent Buddha, the desperate, Potato Pantopurana, upon the desperate Pantoga, Miam the Karam Konging, I must attend the game to a Pani Waraga, I can go to Shelter.
A meeting of village chiefs of 28 villages of hills and valley around Nongshum Khul held a meeting on the assault of Nongshum villagers by alleged KL cadres on 19th March. The meeting resolved to work and help together when the villages faced any problem and also formed a joint committee. Speaking to media persons at Nongshum Community Hall, President of the newly formed committee, Kamelok Kongbal Uyumpo Gram Panchayat Development Committee, L. Joy said the meeting was attended by representatives of 28 villages including 10 villages of the hills to work together for common good and to live peacefully.
Area says the education gi lamda yam sathina sothaba aduga lambi thong ising da oro aduga akoi power main chingbada sathina aduki matik sothari be saisida hiram khuding maksida committee se miyam ga tana tignaraga aduga mari leinaba department singa tana tingnarakanda singulaba development program je changsinba manglom da chaukhotpagi lambenda oinanaba akoi committee se thabak pangthok minasi habsi parja miyam sung committee gi achetba phiremne.
Narcotics and Affairs of Border PS Manipur seized 1 kilogram of opium each from Kupmang Simte, 52 years son of Leb Lunhed Simte from Tingzang village in Senapati district, and Dauko Hau Haukip, 36 years son of Kontang from Chingdai Kulin in Senapati district. In a press release, the PRO Police Department said they were arrested in front of Nagaland State Transport Office in Imphal yesterday around 4 p.m. following a tip-off. JAC and the family members collected the dead bodies of Mohammed Saddam and Mohammed Farooq after post-mortem at Rims Morgue and performed their last rites. But the JAC warned that they will resort to intense agitation if the government does not arrest the culprits at the earliest. It may be mentioned that of Mohammed Saddam and Mohammed Farooq were lynched for alleged vehicle theft on the 7th of this month at Mayang, Imphal.
Manipur government ga JAC ga yanaba poropadagi dead body sum laubana yanare ngarang JAC na tang tramnga gi numidang waram pung torokta ban tawgani habado ayab yanaba poropadagi ban gi khongjang handok chakre dead body laubuda JAC gi miyoi singna ya amaksu kandem tawi madudi sungumba miyoi begi wangmada mihathina hatpache matungda sugumba thaudokse thopo hengano iramda masilaiba maitai chininaw amasung muslim chininaw sing nungsi chanana leminaba adamba ingchiklaba iramda mama ohenje.
A team of Food Safety Department visited a shop of a non-Manipuri named Ajay Prasad at Tilipati Kurai Ahongai after members of IPSA and KSA caught him making duplicates of famous food products. When the team of food safety and police personnel went to Ajay Prasad's shop, the shop remained closed for about 1.5 hours. But the shop opened when the angry residents tried to open forcefully. Food safety consultant Dr. Bimola Kumari said the team collected samples of the food products and it will be sent for tests. And if found adulterated or duplicated with the food products, the owner will be punished according to the law of the land. It may be mentioned that duplicate packages of Kaziranga tea was found manufacturing using automatic sealing machine, and packages of Bounce biscuit of Sunfeast Company, Bourbon Bliss of ITC Company and Top Biscuit of SAJ Company were found without manufacturing date or MRP.
Chumbara chumdabara ina akoi verification tawre adugi matungina akoina darkar leiba kano sample sing collection tawraga si akoi laboratory le tharaga adu aini matungina matik chaba lokhat pa yaba kano mayam sing si akoi lokhat na baina sin asini akoi team mama laktana akoi si kano sing sida dukan sida check tawrabani akoi hana su police na su thingjalame adu akoi na kanu aran ba mayam ma yawram targa di sin tawdoini.
International Peace and Social Advancement IPSA today claimed that businessmen in the state have been misleading and demoralizing the state police department, showing the adulterated items confiscated during a raid carried out by IPSA and Kanglei Park Students Association KSA yesterday at the office of KSA at Sega Road, Konjeng Hazari Lekai. IPSA President Luwang Chachingkai said adulteration of food items is prevalent in the state right under the nose of police department and appealed to all to extend support in the campaign against such malpractice. Mention may be made that representatives of IPSA and KSA raided the house of Ajay Prasad at Kurai Ahongai and Tilipati yesterday evening and found the expiry date of some popular products such as Kaziranga tea, Nestle milk and Sunfeast biscuit tempered and adulterated.
Manipur Sarkari Makada Leba, Manipur, Tamo Shanga, Manipur Yanga, Katutana, Taputava, Polisi Sigo, Miscrite of Ado Makoji, Krakitamuka, Dukana, Karna, Sana Makara Yawe, Narangi to the Kudamam song of Pani, Quina, Drive to Trapomatamda, Sagi, Lashes, Jawam, Jawdava, March Data, Kenabakara, Lakataban Muduna, Aquina, Jayolamuki Manunda, Aqui, Yamam still a Vidiba, Menucheto Vidiba, preparing Masama Lashes to Aqui Shamadi, Yeshigo, Officer Lakuna, Kamina, Gikum Java, Ado, Jayolama, Hamderi.
Manipur Science and Technology Council, Imphal and Mathematics Department of Oriental College are jointly observing the National Mathematics Day. The observance will be held till the 19th of this month. Teachers and students from 17 schools from the Valley and Hills are participating in the event held at Oriental College. The students have opened 22 exhibition stalls which are catching the attention of the people. Director of Manipur Science and Technology Council, T.H. Surendranath, emphasized the significance and importance of mathematics in one's life. He appealed to the teachers to motivate the students to learn mathematics.
All the numbers counting from 0 onwards up to 9,000, all these numbers are my friends. Matanggali Prime Minister Manmohan Singh, Mabu, National Mathematics Day. I am celebrating December 21st of October. National Mathematics Year.
Mangal Rural today distributed solar home lighting system to the villagers of Ithing village in Bishnupur district. In their endeavor to achieve 100% solar-powered village, Mangal Rural distributed 100 solar lighting system to beneficiaries in Ward number 1 and 2 of Ithing village in Thanga Part 2. The beneficiaries will have to pay rupees 18 daily as installments for the solar home lighting system. Mangal Rural also donated 10 solar street lamps costing about rupees 1,70,000 to the village. They also provided solar home lighting system at 50% discount to underprivileged families. Ithing village is the third solar village under Mangal Rural. Atom Kuman in Imphal West is the first 100% solar powered village in the northeast, and Chairal village in Thoubal district has also become the 100% solar village. Mangal Rural aimed at providing 100% solar power to all the villages of Manipur by 2016-17. They will also hold a half marathon on April 24 on the theme Fight for a Common Cause, Fight Against Energy Poverty. Mangal Rural have appealed for maximum participation by all sections of the people.
Mobile headset lam pairaga PTV pai chap manare ai gi mobile headset sida any internet jengera any PTV gi paw logri yaram le suma matam masida ko mai phangdana ko yamna install s gi juk de nungi juk de leba yawru basi gramena loida ko gramana sama ba gramena ma leba du phangda badagi basi meyam de energy power si bawda phangmangam de gi awab si leili.
Vice Chancellor of Manipur University, Professor H.N.K. Sharma has stressed that increasing numbers of women toppers in all the 31 departments of the university is a clear sign of women empowerment in the university. Speaking at the annual get-together of Manipur University Working Women's Association, today, the Vice Chancellor also stated that the women of the state have not only made academic achievements but also contributed in various fields. He also inaugurated Women's Facility Garden and released the second edition of the newsletter published by the association. The Art of Living has appealed to all the people not to call for band or blockade during the visit of Guru Sri Ravi Shankar from April 16 to 18 in Manipur. Capping and lamp lighting ceremony of female health worker students for the year 2015-16 was held today at the multi-purpose hall of School of A&M FHM Medical Directorate, Lamphel-Pat. Principal of the School of A&M FHM Th. Radheshyam led the capping and oath-taking ceremony of 18 students. The staff of the school and officials of Health Directorate attended the function. It's time for a small commercial break. We'll be back in a short while. Keep watching Impact News.
Classic Hospitality Training Institute now offer Tauzari 3 special job-oriented courses to launch your career. 6 months course in front office operations, food and beverage service, housekeeping operations, level 1 diploma in hospitality operations, level 2 diploma in food preparation and culinary arts. Free counseling session from Monday to Saturday 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. Hena Kupamarol Gidama contact you Classic Hospitality Training Institute, Babina Diagnostic Building, 3rd floor, Rims Road, Imphal.
Welcome back after the break, and you're watching Primetime English News. The first death anniversary of renowned lyricist and culture activist B. Jayanta Kumar was observed today at the multi-purpose hall of Brahmakur, Nahabam. The observance was organized by Apunba Manipur Matam Ishai Kanglub Amik. Singers of Amik presented popular patriotic song Ho Ima Pognapam Ima, written by B. Jayanta Kumar at the event. Attendees also offered floral tribute at the portrait of B. Jayanta Kumar. Ishai, a half-yearly journal of Amik, was also released on the occasion. Civil society organizations of the Valley and Hills of Manipur held a two-day discussion on dealing with past in Manipur at Siroy Hotel Conference Hall at Guwahati. Dr. Y.L. Mingting released a book, Democratic Institution Without Democratic Politics, written by Dr. Dhanabir Laishram on the last day today. O.J. Maitai reviewed the book. Dr. R.V. Tamthing, Rifnau Kuki Women Organization, Rose Mangsi Hauke, President of Jamiatul Ulema Manipur Maulana Said Ahmad, Amuko President Dr. Y. Manik Human and UCM President Ilangbam Johnson were among those who participated in the discussion. Laikai Against Plastics campaign organized by Chingmairong Maning Laikai Singlub and Chingmairong Social Welfare Association against the use of plastic bags and bottles kicked off today at Sinam Shyama Community Hall, Chingmairong. Volunteers of Women and Youth for Peace and Development, Sagolban and Yening Ahalup Mayay Laikai, trained the locals on making paper bags. President of Chingmairong Maning Laikai Singlub, Dr. Sinam Rajendra, said the decision to ban using plastic bags, disposal glass and water bottles in the locality was taken to stop people from polluting the environment. The step to replace plastic bags by paper bags was initiated in the locality as burning of waste plastic cause harms to the inhabitants. 11 Assam Rifles of 26 sector Assam Rifles organized a free pain relief and acupuncture treatment medical camp at Mori on April 15th. The medical camp was conducted in association with the Rural Medical and Health Care Center, Kaubal Moiting. 76 villagers were treated at the medical camp. Tera Urak unit of Coalition Against Drugs and Alcohol Kata has been reconstituted at a meeting today. Purit Sabam Ongbi Latabi has been elected president, while Thingbaijam Ongbi Bhanu has been elected Secretary General of the unit. Student Union of United College Lambung yesterday staged a sit against the shortage of teaching staff. The students display placards that read, "We demand replacement of 35 transfer teachers and we want quality education" during the protest held on the college campus. A girl student said that the syllabus could not be covered due to the shortage of teachers. Out of the 67 sanctioned posts, 35 teachers of the college have been transferred to other colleges. Meanwhile, Anal Lerul Tangpi, Anal Naga Students Union, Mayon Students Union and Chandel Naga People's Organization also supported the agitation of United College Students Union and urged the government to address the issue at the earliest. Salai Mapari Singpul Lup strongly condemned the cutting of flag pole and burying the flag of 7 clans of Manipur erected at the sacred place of Lining Thau at Cherauching by some miscreants this morning. Speaking to media at the Manipur Press Club, General Secretary of Salai Mapari Singpul Lup, Huirem Ramenjik, asked those responsible to clarify as soon as possible. There are about 108 sacred places of Meitei cult on the Langol range, and the organization has been trying to protect and preserve these places from extinction. Ramenjit also appealed to all concerned not to repeat such act in the future.
Kanana matau karamna karigidamakta karma wakhalonda hairiba salai firan aduk lurba ikoi maitegi lurba ipai puna latuna thamjarakpa firan je kaigidamakta makhongda thangna kakthalaga namjelaga thambirami haibasi athu maduda chenariba madubu silliba isin nausing duna athubu matamda sengdokpirau natragadi madu yamna phajadaba ide amaga amaga nuksinabagi wakhalon walokadaba adagi amaga amaga akoi unity oiba akoi gi wakhalon tonganba wakhalon amadu nungainadaba mapolakpa yabagi wafam ama lakadaba namaram oiraga hairiba wafam si athubu matamda leibak miyamda sengdokpirau haina Salai Mapari Singpul Luki maikaidagi nolukna haijari.
National Revolutionary Front Manipur has lifted a ban on Film Forum Manipur. The Information and Publicity Secretary of the outfit said in a press release has asked the artist to stick to ethnic attires in Manipur films, Sumang Kumhai's Manipuri dramas. He also asked the electronic and print media to refrain from using other languages. The outfit imposed a ban on Thabal Chongbas during election on New Year's Eve, terming it to be a Western influence act. It also appealed to all the Maira Paibis and civil society organizations to encourage the young people to wear ethnic dress during Thabal Chongba under the Umang Lai Harauba tradition. Women's voluntary organization YWVO Imphal today felicitated Chairman cum Managing Director of National Scheduled Caste Finance and Development Corporation NSFDC Dr. R.K. Singh IFS. The event was held at the office of the Women's Voluntary Organization at Kaisamthong Laishom Lerak. Speaking at the event, Kaisamthong MLA Laishom Ibomcha appealed to all people to take loans from the banks to improve their economy and repay them on time. Dr. R.K. Singh appreciated WVO's role in improving the economic conditions of women by providing them loans.
I think our prime responsibility is to support the future generation so that we really become a economic power or maybe a significant power in the world. India has to lead the world. We were gurus at one point in time, and as now the time has come that we should again regain that position of guru, and that can only happen when we economically become, we come out of bring our people, brothers and sisters out of poverty and move towards a path of prosperity.
Film Forum Manipur has condoled the demise of renowned film and theatre director Sanakya Ibotombi on the 13th of this month. Members of the forum observed 2-minute silence at a condolence meeting held at Sankar Talkies. All Manipur Filmmakers and Producers Association Ampimpa has condoled the untimely demise of popular Manipuri comedian and actor Oina Mangi. In a press release, the association said his death is a great loss for the Manipuri film and shared the grief of the family. Petrol price has been slashed by 74 paise and diesel by 1 rupee 30 paise a litre including VAT. The new rate came into effect midnight last night. With this now, petrol will cost 59 rupees 21 paise in Imphal. For diesel, the consumer will have to pay 46 rupees per litre in Imphal. In a statement, Indian Oil Corporation said the international prices of petrol and diesel and rupee-dollar exchange rate warrant a decrease in petrol and diesel prices. Let's have some sport news. First, Tongbram Subol Memorial Veteran Cricket Tournament kicked off today at Langtabal Public Ground. In the opening match, Imphal West Veteran Cricket Association beat Model Club B by 3 wickets. Batting first, Model Club B set a target of 120 runs in the stipulated 20 overs, losing 5 wickets. In reply, Imphal West Veteran Cricket Association reached the target in 19.2 overs, losing 7 wickets. NYDC Khaidam have won the second Maklang Mahadeva State Level Village Open Volleyball Tournament, beating NYVA Nambol Naurim by 27-25, 19-25, 24-26, 25-23 and 15-12 in the final in Maklang High School ground today. And Ashok Kumar from DMC Arts, M. Kanglai from DMC Science and T.H. Lojing Lamba from Kamakhya Pemton College bagged the first position in the lightweight, medium weight and heavyweight category of the Manipur University Inter-College Mukna Tournament 2016 held at Kamakhya Pemton College, Hyangthang respectively. FFC Naikalong beat Salai FC Bangalore by 15-3 in the 7th Late S. Amuba Singh Memorial 6-a-side men's open football tournament today. And the match between SCY Yumnam Kunau and RFC Kamnam Lerak went to draw. The tournament is organized by Youth Bright Star Club Tera Sapam Lairak Nomaitem Laikai under the sponsorship of S. Dhanabir. Before we conclude, let's take a look at the headlines once again. BJP Manipur source hints that Thangmaiban MLA Joy Kishan may be the next president of BJP Manipur Pradesh. JCILPS accuses that police department has failed to take action against 431 illegal migrant workers. Non-Manipuri trader caught making duplicates of popular food products at Kurai, Hongai. And Ithing village in Bishnupur district becomes the third solar-powered village under Mangal rule.